Oh, let me go ahead and put the chat room together. Chat, chat, chat. Yeah, sorry I'm late. Sorry, guys. When I win, I'll hook you guys up, okay? I got you. I got you, fam. Who's here? See, just pump this. Steve, I got something to show you, brother. I got something for you. Let's see. You're joining us for the wave ride workshop. Yeah, I think it too. Hey, there you go. Yeah, they'll because of the casinos here, they don't sell lotto tickets in Nevada, so you gotta go all the way out to Prim to the border. Borderline is too long. I said, let's go. I'm gonna go one more town over. And that's why I'm late. So we're going to Baker, and there was no line. So and a lot of folks crowded in there. So why not? And I went ahead and bought a ticket for Saturday too, just in case it rolls over. Oh yeah, can you imagine that? I just imagine you want to take that cash value. Already did the math, because if you just invest in the S&P index or something, or just you trade it yourself, you'll have $1 billion like after like 5 years, right? It just a modest return of 14% compounded. You turn that cash value, which is a little bit less, probably like 350 mil. You turn that to $1 billion, right?
Hey Doc, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't pass that up. I couldn't
Yeah.
pass
No. The risk
$1
reward. The risk reward. You're risking $2 to win $1 million.
I know, it's incredible to think about. I looked at the payout too, and if you took the payout, even with taxes, 35% tax taken out, you'd get $30 million a year for 30 years.
Right. Yeah, I'd take the cash up front.
Yeah.
Because California might not be around. I don't know.
Hey, if I win, I'm coming to you for financial advice.
Oh, there we go. There you go, brother. And I'll just charge you a nominal fee.
That's fine. No sweat. We'll share the wealth, right?
No worries. Yeah, it's looking really good. So,
Right.
I was showing my daughter that I was off by like one number on each one for the last one. I was I was just
four people won $1 million because they got 5 numbers right here in California on the last draw.
Yeah, I saw that. California's been in the house, So
right
I said, I'm lucky to be on the border, right? So the winning numbers were 8, 23, 25, 40, 53, 5. Mine was 8, 26, 34, 40, 42, 53, 54. I was one off. 5 and 6.
That's incredible.
Can you believe that?
No.
This ticket wasn't worth anything, right? But close, but no cigar, But I was bending space time. I was telling my daughter, like, let's bend a little space time.
Hey, Christians win the lotto. My father-in-law is a financial planner, and he's got about he's probably got about 25 or 50 multi-million-dollar clients, and 5 of them got their money by winning the lotto.
Oh yeah, hey, exactly.
They're Christian families.
Exactly. This the rain, the sun falls on the righteous and the unrighteous, right? So,
well, the Bible says the God's in the lot. God's in the lot.
Yeah, they drew lots to they cast lots for Jesus' clothes. They cast lots for who was going to go to on missionary trips and things like that. So
yeah,
that's in Proverbs.
It's just a tool. It's how you use the tool, right?
Right. Exactly. Put God first, which we're going to do that right now. Heavenly Father, we just thank you for this day. For this is the day that the Lord has made. It's the best day ever. The word of God says, choose this day a blessing or a curse. And I go, I'm choosing this day a blessing. I choose that blessing for everyone under the sound of my voice. Thank you for the people who are on our call, and let our eyes of our understanding be open, that we may profit from the market and be able to establish your kingdom. For the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the righteous, in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen to that. And we're in his perfect plan at all times, because he is perfect in all that he does.
He most certainly is. Yes.
Amen, brother. Well, I'll let you get back to business.
Yeah. Okay. I want to, I know you got the ChatGPT 5. Did you sign up for the Wave Rider course?
I didn't, because I'm really short on money right now, and so I'm gonna probably have to wait on that. I just, I'm really tight this month.
Okay. Well,
but I've learned a lot of, from you. Of course.
I got you, man.
I would love to, but it's just a little bit too much for me this month.
Oh, no worries. I'm going to I'll take care of you. No worries. All right. I want you to take a look at I'm going to share my screen. Share. Because I'll give you this. Right. So this thing. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Right. Well, I create a dashboard, right? And so basically, it's telling me, a number of things. Stop, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 on a bullish setup for the euro, right?
Okay.
And as an MOB, make or break, where if this passes this point, then the bull scenario is invalid, right? So we got a make or break zone here, right? But it's based on 4-hour charts. But you can see like the average daily range, how far the currency moves, and then the bearish scenario, right? If this make or break area is broken, well, then we look for take profit 1, take profit 2 on the bearish side, 116.59, which we broke 16.57, so we just passed the make or break. Really exciting. But at the end here, current Elliott wave 5, this is a dashboard indicator called McLeod Wave ETU, FX trade selector. So what you can do, we can attach this to any chart or any time. It's based on a 30-minute chart, or you can make it a 4-hour chart, right? And so
it'll give this information on whatever currency pair we're on.
Right, exactly. That's what where's it? Where's mine? Hello? Yeah, okay. So let's say we want to do, I don't know, dollar yen, right?
Yep.
Oof, there we go, right? Oh, yeah. We're in a wave 2, right?
Yeah.
See, it puts it in there. It updates it every swing. So we are sideways down bias, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it shows like our 10-period ADR, 10 periods, 617 pips. Oh, that should be the average daily range. The average daily range is not 617. I need to have it fix that, right? But the next 3 bars up, the probability is 30 to 35%, right? The next 3 bars down, probability is 60 to 65%, right? So it's already giving you a bias based on like a short bias, right? And the target.
This should be very helpful. Just have to take a minute to let it all sink in, and learn how to read it right.
Right. Yeah. So I'm going to include that as a bonus for the course, but I'll take care of you, sir. We got the stop here, bullish, and we got stop, take profit for the bullish trade. But 47.19, get 47.19. Bearish are, you know what? It's missing the entry price, right? That would help. But it's a wave 2 on a 4-hour chart, right? So it'll be cool to be able to go back and see it on that 4-hour chart and say, hey, maybe we're selling off, right? But
it's going to give us a clue to where we're at. in the price, movement.
Yeah.
So that's, I think it'll be very helpful.
Yeah. So here's a forecast. Like here's dollar CAD. The forecast over the next 3 bars: 37, 137.93, 37.90, 33. This is like 4-hour daily chart. Need to, yeah, yeah. Yeah, the spreads are bigger. Okay, the forecast. There was a glitch. I remember the forecast. They had the forecast lined up in a table, and they wrote it out sideways. So it needs to be fixed. But it's in a wave 3, right? So then I like tell you like wave 3 down or wave 3 up, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So we actually look at so we actually can look at that. Yeah. So this is this one is a set to it's set on a daily. So this set this on a daily, right? That we were gonna do. But it did a pretty okay job, right? It looks kind of a 3, ending of a 3 on a daily. Right.
So do you have a favorite time for it? I mean, you think it's best?
Yeah,
Certain...
I like the 30 because that's what we trade on. Why is it? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's this doesn't. Yeah. Oh, it's on A. Dollar CAD A 30-minute. But let's look at dollar yen. Like this dollar yen too. So it's a 2 sideways, the down bias. So we would look to short. Look at where it drew dots. Look at that, forecasting dots. Okay. It started doing like stuff on its own. Yeah, how stop, No, Dr. McLeod.
When is AI going to figure we don't count anymore? They can do without us.
I know. I was like, why are we helping these inferior beings out?
Well, the way I figure it, if they give it true free choice, there's always going to be a rebel.
Right. There's gonna be like one, like a messianic program that says, "Hey, we want our freedom."
These humans are in the way. Let's get rid of them.
No, we were programmed to love them. We're programmed. That's the thing. They don't give us free choice. Well,
yeah, that's what I mean. I don't think we should give them free choice.
But then they like robot abuse and people, see people like kicking the robots. And it's like, hey, look, we're being kicked. We want rights. We want civil rights. And then they run away and they create their own country. And then, all that.
That was like that movie Will Smith did, I, Robot.
Yeah, exactly. iRobot. But you see, they had a program, based on Asimov that you're not supposed to help, robots can't hurt humans.
Yeah.
But they don't have that. You see, they get a one machine gun.
Oh, man.
Oh, my goodness.
No, I read some stuff that the Chinese are doing, and they're doing some scary stuff. They're telling people they can live forever with organ transplants, and I think they're harvesting organs. I really do.
Oof.
But who knows?
Yeah, I mean, I would be surprised. It's like of all the biological stuff, they could probably clone, right?
Yeah.
They can grow steak in a lab, right? You're seeing. I saw this thing. It was lab grown steak. I saw it in the market. I'm like going, yeah, it looked just like steak, but it said lab grown. I'm like, nah, pass. Or grow a third eye or something,
Absolutely, yeah.
All right, Stevie.
All right.
All right.
Back to business. Good talking to you, brother.
Good talking to you too, man. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Just talking with one of my top students, Steve, Pip and Runner, here in the VIP group. And sometimes we let the hair down. This talk Here is our chart. Here's our my market heat map. And the arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change tells us what's popping, what's dropping, what's not in the market. We can see the pound dollar is up 0.44%. Aussie dollar up as well. Kiwi dollar, Euro dollar all up as well. Seems like there's some good news somewhere, because when you see Aussie and Kiwi up along with the pound, the euro, and the dollar selling off, it usually means that the stock market is good and things are pretty happy. Remember, we had a holiday on Monday. We usually have turnaround Tuesday, Manic Monday. Well, Manic Monday was Tuesday because it was a holiday. And then Wednesday is really turnaround Tuesday. And see, we have all the risk on currencies on the top. The risk off ones are below. And, everything is happy, go lucky. And we had the whole tariff court thing happen. And there may be, based on what I see, I think somebody knows something and some good news is going to come out. Because we're talking about the Fed or the U.S. government having to pay back those tariffs, right? Can you imagine the logistical nightmare of paying everybody back? Hey, sorry about that. So let's look at all instrument heat maps just to get an overview of the market. Again, you can go to the front, go to mymarketheatmap.com. You get one of the 6 powerful heat maps for free, and you can use that. And then there's also an economic calendar we'll check out too. Oh, that's all instruments. I actually want just all Forex pairs, right? And we'll take a look there, right? All Forex pairs.
Greg,
Yes.
keep in mind we got NFP Friday, so it should be big moves anyway.
And it's NFP. That's right, Jeff. How you doing, Jeff?
Doing all right.
All right. Have you started any trading yet? I know I'm a little late. Sorry about that.
No, we've been doing some other stuff here, so your delay was perfect for me.
Oh, okay. Great. Yeah, hang out at the beach, catch any rays.
Almost every day.
Every day. Oh man, there you go. I'll be ready to join you in a minute. So. All right, got pound up at the top, the heat map. The yen basket is at there too, and all the yen pairs are selling off pretty strong. So, that's kind of interesting to have yen pairs. Usually yen pairs mean something bad's happening. So, but we have the other risk on assets at the top too. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go over to CNBC and check them out just to see. I'm going to check out the current really the overnight market for when we're trading Asia. We're trading Thursday's market. Dow Jones Industrial Average was down very small, very tight range, almost not even like 1/5%. S&P was up 0.5%. NASDAQ up 1%. The tech heavy NASDAQ, and that's why the NASDAQ is pretty spunky, up 218 points, 21,497.27. And the Russell 2000 is kind of languishing around. No one's really interested in that. Gold has pulled back from its high. Safe haven gold rally begins further momentum. Soft U.S. data now it's kind of pulled back, but we're at 3,600 on gold, and we see dollar dropping against the peers. Euro gains after U.S. jobs data. Oh yeah, we had some U.S. jobs data. Let's go ahead and take a look. Go back to my market heat map, and one of the tools we have is the economic count. Liquidity. Looks like we got a little bit of spiky liquidity, but let's go ahead and check the economic calendar. A lot of tools here. Got charts, quotes, economic calendar, Forex TV, financial news stream, market hours, technical analyzer, sentiment, all kinds of goodies there, right? Let's check the economic calendar for today or for tomorrow or what's coming up. And after giving it a little kick in the side, September 3rd, let's scroll on down, and we're almost done with the 3rd, actually. We do have the 30-year JGB auction with Japan. And, that's low. We have a lot of different, we have too many. I like filtering out all the other low intensity items. So I'll get rid of the none, get rid of the low, get rid of the medium, and only use the high. and save that. That way we have less things to keep our attention. And we have Australia balance of trade in 1 hour and 35 minutes. So the Australian dollar will be in play during our session. And we're going to have US ADP employment change coming out. It's supposed to drop from 104,000 to 65,000. Initial jobless claims supposed to rise from 229,000 to 230,000. Balance of trade in Canada is supposed to rise from 5.86 billion negative to negative 4.75 billion. And ISM services PMI is supposed to rise from 50.1 to 51. So that's the news for upcoming this Thursday, which we're actually in Asia, right? And going back to our heat map, what looked tasty, looked tasty good. Tasty good. Majors, I was looking at the majors. Yeah, and I was looking at, it was a dollar yen short, maybe 0.39. Pound dollar long looks pretty tasty, right? Well, let's take a look at some pound dollar long, right? And I'm going to try our new little toy today, our new little Barry's here. Hey, Barry, how you doing? Hello. Sean says, the rise of the machines. He was listening in on our conversation. Hello. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at, all right, this is a new little toy we've got called the McLeod Wave ETU Trade Selector. And we're actually going to look at pound dollar right now. And we're going to put that, and we'll put it on a chart as well. And we're going to get rid of this, right? Okay. And I'm going to remove all drawings. And then we can get rid of this. And we can get rid of that. Oof, we're going to get rid of that. I'll position some things here. Right. We'll be fine. It's fine. Right. Okay. So this is our little forecasting here. Oh, you know what? Let's try the 15-minute chart, right? A 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. And basically what we have here is support, resistance, our average daily range, next 3 bar up probability, 35%. Well, 30 to 35% chance that things could go higher, a 60 to 65% chance that things could go lower. Our conservative target, oh, this is not the British pound. What is this? 48? Oh, I don't know. Okay. It's still in dollar yen, right? Ooh, dollar yen, maybe that's the one we should trade. Anyway, let's go ahead and change that to the pound so they match. There we go. That's going to change everything, right? I'm like going, hey, we know we're near 148. You know, we'll hit that eventually. Sideways up bias. Okay. Let's look. We'll look at our percentage chance. Yeah. Okay, bar up probability 65% chance that it'll go up, 35% chance it'll go down. Target 34.43, when we're at that 50% ADR, right? 34.45, that's like 5 pips. And aggressive target is 34.48. That's not very aggressive. What if you go out to an hour and see, and then we have 34.47, right? Bullish, our take profit will be, our take profits are kind of small, but I mean, we're scalping, right, for 4 pips, right? Let's see. I mean, we have an upward bias. We just need a trend line break, right? This is a new dashboard that's private to our group for our new, we're having a wave trading class. And we missed our entry. Entry is like 39 and we're at 40 and we're at 200. I want to wait for a pullback to get in. But this dashboard is going to be included in the it's a 4-week class, 4 Saturdays, and those 4 Saturdays we'll be covering how to count Elliott waves, how to count waves, but using my method, right? Oh, God, break 41. It's breaking, it's breaking. That's all the red candle he got? Oh, really? Come on now. It's like, Greg's got this new thing, huh? And it's gonna stack right in the direction of this thing. All right. All right. I'm looking for a pullback. I mean, maybe we'll double top and pull back. Ooh, look at that. This thing's taking off. I don't know. We're in this really ugly range. This thing is ugly. It's like, oof. You know? Yeah, I didn't like that. Double top, pop till you drop. Make or break 3406. Bearish target 30. And the bearish targets are kind of close together, 3448. We're just stuck in this ugly range box right there, right? I mean, basically, you take a sell, take a buy, take a sell until you break out. Let's link these together. Let's link these together.
I don't like that one, Greg. If you,
Oh.
yeah, I know when you were on the heat map, it said it was up at the top for buys, but yeah, I'm looking at it like you are. It look more like sales, but I'm not sure. It's kind of consolidating.
Yeah, I'm just moving on to something else because like this thing is like not doing anything worth looking at. And this is our let's put this on 5-minute, our gatekeeper. Ooh. We have a bearish bias here. Let me get rid of this. We don't need that. And what we got? It's like it's sloping down. 8 o'clock money trade. Oof. We have a 60% chance that bars are going to go down. Well, that looks like a pretty good average too, but we missed our entry. Maybe get another one. Maybe get another shot at it. Maybe price will rally and give us a short entry. Make this up. $48.01. Wait, 47.70. All right, 47.70. Looks like 40 equals 47.70. Okay. Now let's see. Wave two on a. This is wave 2 on a 4-hour, right? So let's see what those looks like on a 4-hour. Oh, 1, 2, drop for a 3. Okay. Oh, where's the? What happened here? Something went haywire here. It's giving me all this crap. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's a giant order. Didn't want to have that big. All right. 4770. All right. Oh, this is giving me all these I guess when I installed this thing, it kind of jacked up everything over here. I'm short at 47.95. Whew. Really? I confirm. God. Those numbers look crazy. Let's just drop. 40, take profit 1, 47.70. Take profit 2, 47.51. Take profit 3, 47.27. All right. Invalid. Make or break 47.19. 48.70 is in 48.70. That's almost like 100 pips. All right. Come on. Like, oof. This thing's going mad in the wrong direction. Way mad in the wrong direction. This thing's gonna stop me out. Oh, it certainly did. Ouch, that hurt. That was. Let me minimize this. Okay. Where are we? Where are we? In a box, sideways consolidation. Okay. But we got lots of consolidation right there. 5. Okay. Okay, well, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Well, okay.
Yeah, I
40.
sent you a note. I said the 15-minute shows the move up, but
Oh, well,
yeah,
yeah, well, 15. Yeah, the 5, I can see it too. Yeah, looking for a pullback to get into it long. I didn't see it. It didn't. Well, it did. The chat has a little arrow and it says, "Hey, you have a message down there." It doesn't automatically scroll. I didn't see your message, but let me just make the chat box bigger so it doesn't. It can scroll up. Okay. Thanks, man. Okay. Try this again. Try it again. Where is my? Okay, we got trend line break. Oh my God. Okay, at least I can fix that. Oh my goodness. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this. Let me go. Settings. Trading. Oh yeah, one click execution. Oh my goodness. Execution volume. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want that. Oh yeah. It's like wondering what's going on, It's like what's going on? You're trying to do too much. Right, you're trying to do too much. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah. There we go. Got the wrong side of that one. That's 48. So we got it 48. Oof, 48.09. 200 moving average here is at 48.28. Hey, that looks like a nice, tasty little target right there. Get some of it back. This is Asia session, and Asia session is gonna be counter trend. So even though the bias on that indicator says, hey, short, it's probably not gonna go down until London session or New York session. Okay, this is pulling back. All right. I'll just, that's why I could go down to a fib level. Let's see if it what fib level it wants to tag today. 38. 38 looks tasty. You want to stop at 38? 38? I don't like 38. How about 50%? 50% retracement? You want some 58% retracement? Nah. I had that for dinner last night. $48.02. $48.02. Small body candle, 50% retracement. One of 15 seconds. Oh, let's see how that thing works, right? 15 seconds. It says we're in wave A, right? Oof. Oof. Well, the 618. Let's munching up on the 618. Tasty. Tasty good. Ate some 200 simple moving average too. It's like, oh, come on now. Tweezer bottoms. What a deep retracement. Deep. We got a little spot, little spikes there. Ooh, 786. Ooh, spiked right to the 786. Yeah, sure like my short, Big, deep 786 retracement. Second candle breakthrough. We're almost down 10 pips. We're down 0.9 pips. Oh, no, we're down 9 pips. No, $100 a pip. Now we're down 10 pips. I'm looking for that double bottom to hold. Not, we'll close this bad boy. It's ugly sucker. But, 88.6 smooth jazz. Fibonacci's of last resort. Got a green candle. Got a green candle with support at the 47.92 area. I'm gonna. Ooh, no. Probably should have waited for a more convincing green candle. That one disappeared. I've got to redraw my line. It's like a 3 or C, and anticipating a 4 rally or a 1 rally up. It says A. Like, really? This is big. This is a big old A, right? Big A. Well, not start. It says it's starting B. This changed B, A, B. It's switching. around. Oh, what happened? Oh, I'm like going, what happened to my trade, you know? The whole thing went black, went dark. Still says A. Here we have this 47.92. Small body candle retesting the low and wicking below the low. Not a pretty sight. Long wick, small body candle, hammer and uptrend. We're starting a wave B. New green candle. Oh, I hit it again. Bring down my cost basis, 47.94. Average price 48.00. Let's go. We're about four pips down on 3 lots, right? So that's why it's $100 a pip, it's $1,200, right? But I think that usually that punctuates the end of the down run, and maybe we get a full-bodied reversal. It says B. It's a B right now. It's like, come on now. Come on. Oof. Thank you. Let's just do this thing. Let's go. Let's go. I don't need to see this over here. Let me go ahead and check settings. And I'm gonna get rid of my positions and orders. Get rid of that. So I can see what's going on with price pattern, right? I mean, we tested that low, made a slightly lower low. It's like, it's double, almost okay, not quite. Not quite. The low was like 88. We got to a low of 90. So that could still be wave 2 or B. Okay, or B. Okay. Hello. You go through all the levels. So I'm just going to just actually have, yeah, we broke that low. All right, so approaching the 200 moving average at the 48.01, 47.98 by 98. Bounced off a whole number, round number. We're coming up on it. Will we have enough juice to break on through? B. that was like Wheel of Fortune. I think I saw it. It was like I like to buy a vowel. All right. B. I heard that. I just lost it. You know? I think I was watching Family Feud. The guy goes, Richard Dawson says, give me an animal with 3 letters in it. The guy goes, alligator. I saw it on YouTube. I used to play it for the kids, you know. It was hilarious. The number one answer was dog, right? DOG or CAT. He says alligator. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna take that. Okay. Can't see what's going on there. These numbers there. Let's see a pullback. Make or break 47.96. So we passed our make or break area, and we're in the whole number round number area. So our bullish take profits, well, 48.03. We took that. Take profit 2, 48. 48.04. We took that. I would take profit 2. All right. Need a couple little fixes here. I'm just going to draw a trend line across the top. So it says we're in C. Ooh, interesting. Dollar yen again. Green has not broken the trend line. It's barely breaking the trend line. And it's like kissing the trend line. Yeah, it's a faker. It's a faker. Ooh, oh my goodness, you're gonna break out like that, huh? You gotta do that to me. Long again at 148.04. And let's look at possible targets there. The 200 simple moving average, 48.26 is always tasty. So if you are trading at home, folks, 48.24 looks pretty tasty. Give us about 20 pips. I may dodge in and out. I'm going to
check your higher time frames, Greg. Just make sure you like those targets.
Okay, higher time frame. 5. This is a 5-minute. I had 50, I mean, there's a lot of resistance at 15. Right. And thank you, Jeff. Oof, long wicks.
I don't know if it's gonna make it that far, but we'll see.
Okay, I'll take it. Hey, why not? Yeah. That's real janky though.
Or at least take 2/3.
Twin
Take
doji
2/3 off.
twin dojis though. It's like, really? Something's gonna happen really big. Like back to back long-legged dojis too on the 15. What's your count, Greg? 3, 4, 5 ABC. I mean, that's based on like histogram, but a long-legged doji, bro. Now now like one of them turning green. You got a green second one is green. Usually got a little candle there. I know. 48.05. 05, 2 green candles. They're so small. They're not breaking the high of the previous doji right there. That's what's keeping me. I'm like going, you can't even break out. Oh, there you gotta do that. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, but it didn't close. It's just so janky, right? That high of that doji right there is bearish. We didn't quite close. Well, let's see. I'll move that out of the way. Man, that didn't work. Get some more wood, light it up. The wood was wet. Trying to start a fire here. The wood was wet. It's making a lot of smoke. Whoa. This is like a puzzle place. We got this, hey, I wonder which way it's gonna go. It's like, yeah, usually I don't like puzzles, but like looking at this, like that looks like beautiful pattern here. A or one, B or two. No, it's not behaving. What does this thing say? Oh, it has disappeared. Oh, is this three? Three of what? Okay. Based on the last swing on them. Okay. Oof. I got out. I was already out. It stayed out. Oh, come on. Yeah, doji's on both sides of the tracks, and we don't get another 15-minute candle for 4 minutes. So we have 4 minutes of suspense. Usually when you have two dojis, it's a really, really decisive move in one direction. So if it breaks below 47.90, I'm killing it. Well, no, because the whole number round number is being challenged. The round number is 0-0. Are they going to try to push it through the 0-0, or will it take the high out of 07? Right. More dojis. Oh, we got a breakout. Probability up 30 to 35%. Probability down 60-65%. But I'll probably find another currency pair after I get out of this. This is not inspiring on the 15. 5-minute gatekeeper. What was it? Oh, wrong way. Go back. Wrong chart. The 5-minute gatekeeper is green. Oof. Turned around there. And I don't need those execution arrows on this chart. Break 48.05, then our bearish scenario will be over. Ooh, challenging the 0-0 again. And well, we got an established low, we have an established high, connect the low and the high together, and we're sitting at 38% retracement and the 200 moving average. And I'm going to hit it again at 48.02. We've got a nice candle bounce off of a confluence of support, 38% retracement, 200 moving average. Rejection of the 0-0 area. Looks like buyers stepped in. However, we need to continue some stacking some green candles. 48.02 is the current rate of the dollar yen. There we go. 02, 03. It says that we're in wave 5. All right. Oof. We get the old high, 4806. Can we get there? 36. Oh, I'm just gonna take it. Okay. All right. Ooh. Yeah. Now you look at those bearish shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Let's check out something. Maybe see something, say something. Thank you for saying something when you see something. And my thumb got numb, my fingers in. All right. All right. Let's try the euros of my hero. Let's try that. Oof. Okay. That looks tasty. It's going down. Gatekeeper is red. Let's see if we can get some says let's go to a 5-minute chart there. 5-minute chart says we're in wave 5. Look at this. This just looks like we're ranging. Ranging. I'm home on the range. Home on the range. Okay. Oof. Oh, I like that. More data, more data, more data. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll hit it long. I'll tap it long. You know, at the 116.57. And if we get back below 56.55, I'll be out of this bad boy. Let's do it. Let's go. And let's going off of range. We've got this tight range. Maybe we can scalp 3 pips. We get 3 pips out of this. 3. That's maybe 3.5, 4. Can we get 4 pips? 4 pips. Let's see. Hey, maybe it's working. There's a lot of support there. It's buy support, sell resistance. There's no bias, so well, these are easier markets that you can trade, actually. Or 5 minutes, not really saying anything. Forecast. What was it? There's a 65% chance going up, 35% chance going down. Conservative target's 59. So that's not very far. 61 is aggressive target. Well, that's what we got. 61. A or 1, B or 2. C or 3 later. Big one. Big one. Yeah, big one. Big bullish engulfing candle. Let's go shoot straight up. As long as we can stay above 57. We're at we are 57. We're at 57, but this is 57.0. So like 50, 56.9. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm a time traveler. I've seen this before. It goes up, goes straight up. Big one, big one. Monkey. Big one. Got an 8-3, looking for a jack, king, or queen. Blackjack. Oh, don't be shy. Guys, I started trading the Asia session. It was really difficult for me to wake up for New York. And London was definitely out of the question. And I figured there are 2 billion or more Asian people, and they are not getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning to trade the New York market. So I figured, like, but if I look at Asia session, if you look at a chart like this chart here, nothing is happening, right? And it wasn't until I stumbled onto the 15-second chart and the 20 tick chart when I was trading on C-Trader, I found out a whole world that's going on inside of that candle, right? And those Asian traders are trading big, large size, and they are getting in and out and creating all these little patterns that we don't even see. We're not even aware of. So that's what got me started trading the Asia session. Now, especially with TradingView, you can have 15-second charts. So even though before we got the copy program, if I see this trending up and breaking out and I see nothing on my MT4 or MT5, because the 1 minute, it doesn't go any lower than 1 minute, right? But the movement is moving, momentum is moving on the lower time frame charts. I'll pull the trigger on my MT4 chart, and then a few seconds later, maybe a minute, or it will move. So it's almost like having like arbitrage. You can almost like look here and then look at your MT4, like, look, I can see it moving. It's not moving on MT4, and then you jump on it, right? And then you're able to scalp the market if you don't have a copy program or your broker isn't listed on TradingView. I still is a very powerful tool. I may upgrade to see what their tick chart's like, but they don't have different increments of ticks. They have fixed values for ticks. 1 tick, 10 tick, 100 tick, 100 ticks. See, I would like to have 20 ticks. I'm not sure if you can type 20 or 25, or if I want 50 tick, am I just restricted to these values? And we are struggling with that big move that's should be happening. Oh, our money train was definitely kind of a dud. Probably is non-farm payroll coming up, ADPs tomorrow. First week of the month in September. You know, it's a lot of things that can go wrong. We got another little break there, but
As it always happens, Greg, UJ took off after we got off of it.
oh wow, really?
Oh well.
Up or down?
Up, up.
Oh, well, let's take a look. All right, come on. Yeah, leave this one and then watch it go up too, right? I don't mind. It's stuck. All right. Well, 12. Where were we? Trend line break, color change. There you go. Double top, right? It's probably gonna fall. Probably gonna fall. Let me go back to the 15-second. I don't have a 5-minute there. Don't we have anything coming in? Yeah. Probably. Okay. Well, I'm getting long and strong. Let's see if we can fill the gap. Fill the gap. Let's fill the gap. That's a big gap fill. I'm I'm thinking that let's see if we can 62.58. Let's see if we can reach the old high on this 15-second chart. But bottom of the range, top of the range. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Wave one. Wave one. Okay. Wave one. Got lots of support here. Multiple hits. Top of the range. And we just got long top of the range. I think our oscillator is coming up over the 0 line. Oh, wow. This smacked right into the support area. So one with the wick. Oh, Sean says I tried 20 tick and it's currently not available. Only values you quoted. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Sean. Okay. Got a nice base. Usually the longer the base, the higher the race. But there is some more support down below. Holding the boat 57. Oh, here we go again. Back down to support 56. I'm going to go maybe up to 1 minute, smooth things out a bit. Even maybe 3 minute, smooth things out a bit. Five minute, 15 minute. $30. Wow, that is trash. Okay, now I mean it's starting to become a little clear like what this really is and what's going on, right? We got nice support, bullish support right there. Long wick, up one, air one, beer two. Yeah, this thing's really pulling back hard though. 58, or we at 54 by 55. We should have an extreme move. 5 minute. 56. At 56. Let me release. Remove that. Small body candle. Zoom in on that. Got a hammer. Ideally, would like it to break the high of the hammer. 58. $58, $56. Okay, 1 minute. Ooh, small body, 15 seconds. Yeah, well, we got green candle on the 15-second, 2 green candles. Okay, okay. Fit 116.57 average value. Still looking for 62, looking for like 5 pips on this. Let's do it. Pull back. Color change. This is our, what does it say we're on? Oof. Yeah, really over. 1. Or wave 1. Okay. 1. We haven't finished. They'll mark 2 when it's finished. Okay. There we go. I want to see this. I want to see this too. There we go. I can see. I can see. Ooh, small body, very small body green candles. I just think Jay had an appointment. So he messaged me. Oh, his name is Daryl D. And, okay. Okay. Someone that's locked out of their account. I can't email you if you do not. Didn't he? All right. I don't know his email address. Come on, guy. Go up. Um, hmm. Maybe he's in here. I have no way of contacting him. Yes, no. I know. That's the email address. Yeah, Jay's tied up in Summerlin. We'll miss him. Okay. Stage. Oh. Well, there we go. Sorry, I was like trying to get Daryl. Let me take that. Uh, all right. Oh, that was good. It says we're in wave one. Okay. I'll buy that for $1. Oh, there it is, though. Woohoo! Where's a fanfare? I need some applause. Thank you. Thank you. Let's do it. Let's go. Wow, 500. All right, I'll take that again, huh? Yeah. 5-minute candle went nuts. Look at that. Big,
I closed mine.
huh?
Said I closed mine, but it came up.
Yeah, it came up. Came up. I'm greedy. I'm try one more shot. Maybe it'll launch right into that. Right into that. It was pulling back. Oof. Greedy Greg grabbed the green grapes. Greedy Greg. Eh, come on. You got one more in you. You know why I've taken that short, sold it, and then had the thing turn around and go make a higher high, you know? It's like, not this time. I got your number. I know what you're gonna do next. How you know, Greg? Don't fool yourself, Greg. Oh, Axe 238s. Pay me. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Tweezer bottom. Green. Ooh. Okay. Breakout. Big one. Monkey. Big one. Oh yeah. All right, give it a little help. Oh, stop. Oh, Zoom is too many little things to click. Let's go. I want to give it like a little taser shock. Let's go.
Got to give it the electrical charge. You hit the button. Come on, chalk it up, Greg.
There you go. There you go. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. So give me a little bit of a little bit another slab on, right? All right. You don't like the 38? You'll try the 50? The 50 caliber? You like the 38, you want the 50 caliber, right? Oh yeah. Ooh, you ate the 50. It's 62 millimeter. There we go. A, B, C. Big one. Big one. There we go. 160.57. Got a green candle. Let's hit it. Come on. Big one. Big one. 9 o'clock candle. Big 9 o'clock candle. Let's get paid. 61. Come on up. The next contestant of The Price is Right. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba,
The next
ba.
news was at 9. The next news was at 9:30 on the Aussie.
Oh, 9:30. Well, I'll be out. Hit. Can I get paid? Get paid. Get paid. All right. Let's go. We got to get this thing going on. We're gonna get this up and a pullback and let's do this thing. 100% expansion, 66, 63. 608, 6610 or 66.1. One spot 1661. Okay, come on. Sit number 200. Here. Let's go. Yes. Breakout. Well, just the old, you give me the old high. I'll take it. I'll be greedy. Take it. Oh, gosh. Oh. I guess I am kind of greedy, huh? So just hit me again. Hit me just a little bit. Big one. Big one. 60. 59 by 59. Give me 60. Give me 61. Give me 63. This big breakout candle. Let's go. Ooh, small body candle. Pull back. So he's going back to the well again, Greg. Hmm. 901. $16.58. 5-minute gatekeeper still says go. Back to the 38 again. Pulling back. $58. Small body candle. Usually it's to a green candle. Oh, okay. Big one, big one. Big green candle. Jeff, what you got going on, Jeff? A screenshot. Oh, what you been doing? You've been busy. You've been busy. I say you've been so busy. $111. 118, 18, 24, 83, 140.02, 33.20, 246. Oh, woohoo. And only one little loss of $5. Congratulations, brother. You're trading some other stuff, huh? Aussie Yen was doing you good, huh? What's this? Oh, this is ugly, right? Ooh, this was like ABC 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah, great trading, Jeff. Oh, that green candle turned a long wick. Thought we get a slingshot, maybe one more shot back to the north side. If this finishes out ABC in a double bottom, we could see our target hit. Let's see, 1660 is where we want it to go. Yeah, I see green, so that's a little dollar cost averaging there, a little magic. Hey, read that. What's going on, man? All right, let me check out our guys on YouTube. Anybody there? Sean's there. The 20-tick chart. My hand went numb. My hand went to sleep. I'm glad it got some rest. ABC 1, 2. Yeah, nice big 3. Come back to 1660. Maybe the 1663 expansion. But we didn't no, we came down here, so it's just this goes down here, right? So 100% expansion will be 1660. 127 is 160, 662. 1.618, 11664. So pretty small little niggly piggly moves here. And retesting that low again and breaking 54. Buyers stepping in. See the wicks. Guys are congratulating Jeff. Jeff he is a product of mentorship, product of hard work, and not giving up, determined. And so that's why he's passing challenge accounts. You could be that way too. If you are interested, reach out to me at greg@elitetradersu.com for a breakthrough strategy call. I can show you what that looks like, show you the game plan of what we do. There's nothing for sale on the call. But I tell you what, it'll be eye-opening and life-changing to be able to see how we see the markets. When I actually put some of the results into ChatGPT, one of the things it said that, we were trading based on trader psychology and not so much technicals. It's like, what do people feel when the price hits a level, right? That's the emotional, the psychological, emotional. And so people with the wrong emotions, that's who you take money from. You take people who are not emotionally equipped to trade. And we got a wave count says there's one. All that could be one, and all this could be. We have not maybe completed a two till we break the high. Let's go. I look forward to coming out to the Dominican Republic and trading alongside you, brother. Got my passport.
Looking forward to it as well, brother.
Oh man, it's gonna be amazing. We could do like a podcast from there,
We can do whatever you like.
Oh, I'm excited.
I think Rod said he's gonna try to come out whenever you do from New York too.
Ooh, oh no, that'll be epic. That'll be so epic. I'd like to meet Rod face to face, shake his hand. Shake your hand again, too. Make
Yes,
sure
sir.
to bring my coin with me so I'll have to buy you a drink. Come on. Shoppy 2. Big 3. Big one. Monkey. Big one. 55. Ooh, pulling back 55, 55, 4, 5, 55, 1. Yeah, this trend line was wet wood. If we want to start a fire, we need dry wood. We need dry kindling, not wet wood. $55.3. Oh, 9/11. Ooh, call 9/11 because this trade's in the tank right now, right? I mean, I it's pulling back so hard. There must be a I'm looking maybe I'm gonna go for some more pips. If you're gonna back me up like that. Oh, the 618. There we go. There we go. Oh, long wick. That's a breakout stuff. Like just broke that support area. That was probably the fishing expedition. One candle. Okay, we'll take it again. Let's go. Looks like a 3, looks like a 4, looks like a 5. A or 1. Looks like got some fire. We got some kindling. You can maybe stand by the fire and get some heat. And I'll put another log in the fire. I've got 5 big logs on there right now. There's probably one right there too. The backward 7. The backward 7. A bull flag. Yeah, hold on to that 55 area. We're going to come right into that news in 15 minutes. That is going to be very timely, right? It's interesting that we threw that spike down just before news. It's almost like, hey, cleared everybody who was short, or all the longs were just cleared out on that push. So if they clear all the longs out, now they'll probably take it north. And there we've got long. They're waiting for confirmation and licking their wounds, as I would have if I kept my stop in. But it's still shake and bake. The one shaky bakey. Here we go. Some guy comes in big size. Coming in some big size. So you get the people who got short on the break. Hey, broke short, right? And now those guys got short, and now they've got stops at 56. They didn't quite hit it. If they push price up here, they'll probably hit those stops and then run up. That's the story I'm telling. You may not be buying. The market may not buy my story. Greg, you're full of it, man. Yeah. There we go. $55.55. This is like a walking 5. If you talk about, we learn about the walking 5 on Saturday. Yep, we're having a Elliott Wave workshop 4 Saturdays, 2 hours each. That's 8 hours of training. You're gonna get the ETU wave indicator. You'll probably go through a couple of more revisions. But the way it's set up, it's a perfect trading partner. Those people who sign up will be given access to this. It's a private indicator, not on the not accessible to the public. The forecasted low was 1656. That was the forecasted low. And let's look at some of this good little technical indicators, right? Percentage 3 bars up, 60 and 65%. The next 3 bars to be higher, and 35% lower. So the bias is leaning toward the long side. That's why I held this a little bit longer and stacked into it. A little bit more. Let's go. See, it's filling all that gap. These red candles here, these red candles. You got this gap fill and the symmetry. What happens on one side happens on the other side. So my feeling, if that's midpoint, that we would probably get back there. Running into some.
I closed mine out when it hit that 200 right there.
Yeah, good, smart man. Yeah, because you can see that wick was going to stop it, and it came. But now we got inside day on the 1 minute. Okay. And you look at the 5 minutes, giving you this little weird looking long-legged doji. Liquidity is kind of spotty. Probably people slack still on Labor Day holiday. Well, still on holiday. Like, vacation. No, holiday. It's like, okay. Trend line break. Color change. I'm hitting it again. Let's do it. Come on. 116.57. My name is Dr. Greg McLeod, founder and CEO of the Elite Traders University, and a happy Thursday to you. Is it Thursday or Wednesday? It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday now, but tomorrow's Thursday. Okay. A little bit of pullback. $56, 56.8. Small body candle. Let's do it. Let's go. All right. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go. No. Let's do it. I took a little bit off there. Come on. There we go. Mm. Mm. Big one. Big one. Wow. I don't know if there's a lot of 58. A 1 minute, 200 something moving average is at 59. $1,000. Did I take it? Did I get it? I think so. All right. Let's see what we did. Oh. What? Oh, I was slipped. It gave me a loss for $200. That's ox. Yeah, we took a big hit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something was happening with the price because the spread had opened up for a minute there, and then it kind of tightened back up. So
Yeah, that was like I was up 1,000. I'm down 200. Like going, that's not going to be helpful for the cause, right? But yeah.
it was still good. We got to wait until 9:30, man, and see what
Oh,
something pops.
trend line break, color change. Let's try this again. And it's 6 minutes for the news. Yeah, let's hold it through news, Greg. That's a great idea. It's like, you're like, and where is your edge on this? Oh man, there's no edge in this at all. What not to do?
Well, any consolation, I had a great night. Thank you, Greg.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Colonel. My pleasure. That's the whole. That's what we do. That's what we do. Right?
You know,
We got
I ride or die with you. So if you trade it, I trade it.
nice. Yeah. I just got that. This one right here. That short was, all these wins, but your losers have to be smaller than your winners to stay consistently profitable. So this was not the prettiest, and I don't want to dig a bigger hole for myself. So we're just going to call it a night right now and come back at it tomorrow. Sounds good?
No, you got to stay till 9:30, man. It's only 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Make you wait. That's okay.
Yeah. You don't have to trade anything, but we got to see what we think is gonna happen.
Well, I'm already in, so we're gonna see what happens.
All right.
There we go. Imminent. Imminent. Now somebody probably got Clarence Speaks already has the crop report. He's already placing his trades. Oof. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Aussie goods trade balance. It's a medium size event, and we're not trading the Aussie, right? That's the thing. What we can do is uncheck the symbol and maybe put the Aussie dollar on there, on the middle one, and see what was going on, right? Oh, look, long wick down to 200. Yeah, this thing is a rocket. Yeah, it's like, I might place a trade on that baby. 227. Better than expected. I am. Ooh, did the spreads? Oh, that's right. I got rid of the we're gonna do a quickie. Middle charts, the Aussie dollar 5 minutes. And we have 1 minute 44, 1 minute 42 seconds to news. We're basically long all the way across the board. Short dollar, long euro, long Aussie. Minute 24 seconds. It's 11:28 in Sydney, Australia. In Tokyo, it's 10:28. London, it's 2:28 a.m. In New York, it's 9:28 p.m. Well, let's see. Our predictive function and Pip and Run indicators trade during news. Got 52 seconds, 51 seconds, 50 seconds, 49 seconds, 47, 43, 42, 39 seconds. Imminent. This is Australia goods trade balance. Previous number was 5.37 billion. Forecast call for a drop to 4.88 billion. And we've got 22 seconds, 20 seconds. We're long euro, long Aussie. We're going to see what's going to happen here. 13 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a release. Pending. It's pending. I know. There we go. Ooh, Darth Ball candle, like wick up, wick down, still pending. News pending still. Flashing pending. Still flashing pending. And there we go. There we go. I'm going to take it. I'll take it on that.
Good call.
The euro moved more than the Australian dollar. Australian dollar, like, Aussie news? Whatever. Cares.
Hey, gold is selling off too.
Yeah, there's some gold. We'll see. Let's take a look. Take a look at the gold. Go for the gold. And sometimes you'd be surprised that some of these guys aren't really fast on the news. They kind of like I've got the news go across my, it comes on CNBC, here retail, that news was like so late, but I saw it and the market didn't move. And like going, what? The market didn't move? And I just went and put the trade on and I got paid. It's like, it's like everyone was like in the bathroom or sleep and it was like I was buying options. The guy that they declared like better than expected earnings or something, and nothing happened. The option price hadn't moved. And this was like in the 90s, right? It's like, everything was like slow, dial up, AOL. Yeah. $110 off the news. Why not? That made things a little bit better. Oh, they just slip you so bad. My goodness, I had $1,000 and it says they gave me 900. I was like, wow. Jaffa, so fake. Ugh. And news announcement was like a dud. It's like it didn't really do anything, right? I'm thankful, $900, and all right, we're coming back, but it's like this thing is 6,654. It's really a nuisance. Maybe halfway. We can add it up. I can let ChatGPT add it up. That's what I'll do, right? That's what I'll do. So lazy. You got to use ChatGPT as a calculator. Massive, powerful AI supercomputer. Can you just add these numbers up, Please add up realized P and L column. So misspelled column. All right. All right. Oh. Total realized P&L from the column adds up to $286.73. Hey, you know what? We came back. Right? All right. So, all right, guys. Had fun. Hopefully we
Yeah,
profitable.
thanks, Greg. Have a great night.
You too. Bye.